Bitcoin is crashing.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, hustling, hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. And today we're going to be going over the Bitcoin charts, the analysis, the technical analysis. We're going to be diving really deep into all of that. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So as we can see here, now I was saying my thesis was that we were going to go to 48K, but I had mentioned multiple times that there is both a gap up here, right in this area, and there is a gap down in here. So let's look at this one. It's a little bit cleaner of a chart. And I was saying that at some point in time, both 25K and 48K will be hit. Now, the order of which they were going to happen, we wasn't so sure. Now, right here, as you can see, there is a gap in between here, and it looks like we are breaking through this level of support. Now, this is still technically on top of this trend line that's been playing out for months and months and months right here. So the body is still on top of that, but we are breaking into this gap right here, and we are having a cross, the yellow crossing the green and the blue, signifying some bearish activities. So I anticipate us to fill this out and consolidate a little bit more. Now, I still think by the end of June, we are going to have our 48K. So I'm still open-minded to the idea that this could be a spring. This could be a V, but what you would like to see, honestly, at this point in time, I would like to see Bitcoin completely plummet into the 25K and just consolidate and build a lot of support in that range, because there's really not that much support. Okay. So that's what I would like to see, us to just completely just fill this area out and then work our way on out of here like so. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing right now. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Now, I made this video on a live stream where I just kind of drew this out, what I thought was a possibility. So yeah, 25,300. That is a gap. The gap needs to get filled. That looks like it's what's happening right now. It looks like there's a gap that is getting filled. We'll see how this thing plays out, though. We have this trend line, so we could get some support. Let's take a look at the RSI. Big cross to the downside, getting pretty low into the 30s, but that's still relatively, it's nothing too crazy. Like 30 is low, but it's not like low in the 20s. If it were in the 20s, like down in here, you would say like, okay. But so it leads me to believe that, we could find support here, but it leads me to believe the likelihood is we're going to go ahead, fill out this 25K, build support, which, by the way, is the healthy thing to do. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm seeing right now. I know XRP is down right now. XRP's been down a lot. I'm buying a lot of XRP because right here we're on the 200 week moving average. As Bitcoin is breaking through, breaking to the downside, XRP is actually seemingly finding some support on this 200 week moving average. So XRP could go down as low as the 30s, but anything under 40, like in the 40 cents and below for XRP, is a steal in my opinion. And I don't think that XRP has much longer to go. I think that when Bitcoin goes to the 48K range, XRP is actually going to have a significant move to the upside. So we'll see. Definitely consolidating down, finding support on the 200 week or on the 200 moving average right here. And we're kind of getting crunched up together. Whoops. On the RSI, much lower on the RSI for XRP. So, yeah, we'll see. Just want to give you guys a quick update in the charts. I'm not going to go too crazy. We're going to look at the DXY. DXY breaking to the upside here, but looks like it's getting rejected off of this off of the 55 week or the 55 moving average here. So we'll see. This could be a breakdown. Like I said, there's a possibility that this is a spring. Like it would look like one of these. This was a micro spring. I don't think that this is the macro spring, but this was a micro spring to bring you into the next leg higher. And this could be what this is right here as well. So in order for that to happen, what you would like to see is the DXY actually get rejected off of this and crash back down and consolidate and maybe even break to the downside into this area right here. There's a gap right here for the DXY that also needs to be filled out. So if this is breaking down, then Bitcoin would be breaking up. So we'll see. As of right now, though, it's not like breaking into new levels, but it is breaking to the upside, and that's why we're seeing Bitcoin breaking to the downside. So Bitcoin and the DXY trade 100% inversely. Gold kind of just marching along here, which is interesting because typically gold and the stock market trade inversely. So it's interesting to see that while this thing has been marching up, so too has Bitcoin. They typically don't trade in tandem like that. So going to keep our eye on that as well. And the S&P 500 just kind of trading along, consolidating up, so we'll see. But definitely the big decision to be made is what the DXY is going to do is going to tell us what Bitcoin is going to do. And the DXY, if you don't know, is the strength of the US dollar. If this thing breaks new into new levels, you like Bitcoin is going to break down. And there's actually on the Elliott wave, on the most bearish case scenario would be in the 22K range, sort of filling out this little gap right here. Like there's some support here, but that would be the most bearish case scenario. And if the DXY sort of breaks to the upside past this, that's probably what would happen. But what I anticipate to happen is Bitcoin filling out this whole trading range here, consolidating before then going off and away to the full on retracement to the 618. That's sort of what I anticipate. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update. I know it's kind of scary when the markets are red, but like you just ask yourself, is there anything fundamentally different about the projects that you're in? If the answer is no, thank the heavens for your ability to buy the dip. That is what I'm doing with my money. I'm buying XRP right now, and I'm buying Bitcoin as well as a few others. But those are the main two that I'm stacking right now because I think, they're going to be the ones that steal the liquidity and all of that. So, but that is it for this time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, leave me down a comment below what you guys think. If you made it this far into the video, you are a real one. And the word of the day is going to be gold. Comment down gold, and I will shout you out as a real one. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. All my links in the description. Peace, love, prosperity, God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling,
Hit your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.